Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the cues sensitivity on the 8-ball pool application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on this settings icon that you can find down below in the left side corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find this game options section, then scroll down further till you find the cue sensitivity section, and here you can find or choose from 3 options: slow, normal or fast. So all you have to do is tapping on the relevant one that you want to choose, thereby updating the status of the cue's sensitivity, so the next time you are playing with it, it will be at the selected level. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.